Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right,
here we go.
Oh, it's all fun.
I feel like a red carpet rolled out.
Kind of eye-opening experience.
The technicians love to show off what they do. So everybody at the lab is looking forward to you guys being here.
We invite you to look at the cases, pick them up, ask questions, because y'all are part of our family. And we want you to feel like that when you're here in the lab.
It goes like...
We go through all the floors in the lab. We check the fixed part, removable, and then the digital part, and where we do all the hybrids.
Also a great time to kind of meet everybody in a very casual environment because everyone's super friendly and willing to answer any questions about what they're up to.
I actually used to work in the model and dye department when I first started here. So it was a cool transition to see a lot of the traditional work upgraded to the digital, and it is so much easier, so much better.
That's what we would see conventionally, but we can make it more translucent and we can see what the relationship is between the teeth and the ridge. That's a big advantage.
First time I've really seen in a lab that size. It was really fun just seeing the workflow of how every department's split up. Each process was really interesting, especially the quality control, the different technologies that are being utilized to make our dental prosthesis for our patients.
The environment here is fantastic. The relationship that this lab has with doctors that goes back years and years. There's a lot of trust there, and for good reason.